Introducing Hunter's Ultimate ADAS system. Ultimate ADAS is Rivian approved and available to all their North American dealer and approved collision network. Ultimate ADAS combines Hunter's award-winning wheel alignment technology with the Ultimate ADAS target placement system. Laser gimbals and on-screen guidance replace the guesswork, strings, plumb bobs, and tape measures, while cutting setup time by over 70%. Ultimate ADAS not only provides improvement for the wide-angle camera procedure, but also for the other common procedures other systems don't, like lane change camera, front-facing radar, and the surround view system. It's a true around-the-vehicle placement aid system. Hunter uses only full-size targets, ensuring operations are performed as intended by the OEM. Ultimate ADAS not only makes target placement easy, it makes it more accurate as well by automatically compensating for unlevel floors, monitoring steps along the way, and preventing placement errors through confirmation via the laser gimbals. OEM free space is also shown for each procedure using the laser gimbals. Many common adjustments are automated, like height, roll, pitch, and yaw adjustments. Plus, the built-in calibration check gives you confidence the system is accurate and ready to use every time. If your alignment bay is a tight fit, or if you just want to use another bay for ADAS calibration, Ultimate ADAS is mobile and can be easily moved from bay to bay without powering down, thanks to a built-in battery backup system. World-class printouts and digital records in HunterNet give you what you need to sell the work and document the job in case questions arise later. Wheel alignments stay easy and profitable with all the technology you expect from Hunter, including guided procedures and power tools with WinAlign software, no wheel damage with quick grip adapters, and fast, accurate alignments with high-definition cameras. Fully integrated alignment continues to provide procedure improvements and error proofing you expect, and HunterNet keeps you connected to this amazing profit center. Want to learn more? Reach out to your local Hunter rep to learn about your options.